Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome as well. And please don't make it your last. All right, in this video I'll be showing you how to measure the gele measurements for tying. Okay, and first of all, this is the fabric. This is the fabric called the ashoke. All right, and one of the things we usually do in tying gele is that we usually assume that the measurement of every gele is 100. But mind you, this one I'm holding is not 100. It is 72 inches. The normal bridal gele is 90 inches. But this particular one I'm holding is 72 inches. But in tying gele, we usually assume that it is by 100. That is, the length is by 100. Okay? And this particular one has 4 joinings. It has 4 joinings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and one secret about tying gele is that the more your joinings, the higher your gele style. All right, because the height that 3 joinings will give you is different from the height that 4 or 5 joinings will give you. Okay, the higher the more the joinings, the higher your style, the higher your gele. Okay, now like I said earlier, we assume that this is by 100. Okay, by 100. And if we are assuming that it is by 100, definitely when you divide into 2 equal halves, you're going to be left with 50-50. That is 50 on one side and 50 on the other side. This is it. 50 on one side and 50 on the other side. Okay, still on that same assumption, if we are to tie, for example, a particular style that requires one side to be longer than the other side, this is what we do. And in measurement, we use our 2 fingers, the index finger and the middle finger. All right, we use the 2 fingers for measurement. Now let us take our middle. That is the 50-50. This is the 50-50, 2 equal halves. Okay, now this is our middle for this particular measurement. Then you take it from your middle point there. This is it. Measuring with your 2 fingers, this is your middle point. That one step forward gives you 5 inches. One step forward gives you 5 inches. So this is 5 inches. If you're going to be having a measurement of, say, 60-40, it simply means that we are adding 10 inches to the 50 on one side, then removing 10 inches from the 50 on the other side. So here from our middle point, we are removing 10, right? So this is 5 inches, 10 inches. So here is our new middle for this particular style that we want to tie. So this is our new middle. This is what we have. One side longer than the other side. Okay, I hope you understand. Now, if you have another style of, say, 45-55, what that means is that we're removing 5 inches from 150, adding to the other 50. We still go ahead, taking our gele fabric into 2 equal halves again. Into 2 equal halves. Okay, this is what we have, 2 equal halves. Then 45-55, you take it from your middle point there. This is your middle point. All right, then removing 5 inches with your 2 fingers again, taking one step forward. So we have our new middle, which is giving us 45 on one side, then 55 on the other side. This is what it looks like. Okay, it all depends on the style you are going to tie. That will determine your measurements. Some styles will require you dividing it into 2 equal halves. Some styles will require you making one side longer than the other side. It all depends. So that is that for this measurement. Now, please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button as well. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload new videos. All right. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.